A very good afternoon to all of you students. So yesterday we had our accommodation practical, but so for some reasons we weren't able to do that yesterday. So today we'll do a practical on brass and how do we clean and maintain the metal brass. And I'll also teach you about what is brass, what are the uses of brass and how brass is maintained and took care of how do we take care of brass. And so let's begin. Even we have done this practical earlier, but today I wanted to show you practical video which was made by some of your classmates. So today I'll show you that video as well, and I'll revise this about the brass topic with you once again. So let's start. Brass is a metal which is in golden color and it is made from brown alloy of copper and zinc. See, this brass metal is made from different alloys which are copper and zinc. And by combining this with two uh, mixtures, copper and zinc, you get the metal brass and it is of golden in color. And next, brass is used in making windows, window fittings, railings, taps, and ashtrays, etc. See, even I have told you that brass is widely used metal. It is used for making fittings, railings at homes, buildings, or any factor which needs where the railings are made. Then we have taps, ashtrays, etc. These all are the things where brass is used to make. Brass is used. Brass tarnishes and scratches easily, thus are usually recurred. See, the brass is a very delicate metal. It gets tarnishes and scratched easily. So this is a usually cured metal. Uh, excuse me, student. So let me tell you once again, brass is a brown alloy metal or made from copper and zinc, and it is in golden color, and the brass is used in making of window fittings, railings, taps, ashtrays, and many things, many more things. And brass is a very delicate metal and it also gets scratched easily and tarnished easily. Let's move forward to our next slide. Where brass is similar to bronze, another alloy containing copper that uses tin instead of zinc. Here, brass is very similar metal to bronze. Bronze is also very similar in color and is also made from copper, but instead of using zinc, it is made from tin. So bronze is made from copper and tin, whereas brass is made from bronze and zinc. So they look very similar in color. They're similar as of their colors. Next, brass has long been a popular material for decoration due to its bright gold-like appearance, being used for drawer pulls and doorknobs. So I have told you brass metal is used for making very decorative materials or things, and because of its gold-like appearance, it looks like a gold only uh, because of its golden color. And these this brass metal is used for drawer pullers. See in this picture, you can see the Metal brass is used at the drawers. See in here you could see even, and on the other hand you could see it is used as a doorknob. So these are the few examples of where the brass metal is used. And see in the picture even you could see it looks very similar to the gold because of its color. Next we have brass. It has also been widely used to make utensils due to properties such as having a low melting point, high workability, durability, and electrical and thermal conductivity. See, I have told you it is a very good for making decorative materials, and uh, it looks like a gold, and it is used for household or furniture material, for furniture work, but it is also used for making utensils because brass has a very low melting point. It and it could be molded in any shape or in any uh, with the help of its low melting point, it could be molded in any shape, and it has also high workability. It could his the brass durability is very long, and brass is a very good electrical and thermal conductivity metal. Next, we have brass is commonly used in applications where corrosion resistance and low frictions are required, such as locks. Let me tell you first. Brass is usually uh, used so many things, like because it is a corrosion resistant matter, and because of its low friction, it helps in making so many things which we use in our daily life, such as locks, hingers, gears, bearings, ammunition casings, zipper, plumbing, hose coupling, valves, and electrical plugs and sockets. These are the examples of brass material or commonly used materials or applications which are used in our daily lives, uh, because brass is a uh, low, very low friction and a good corrosion resistant material. So these are there are many more things which are made from the brass metal, but these are the things which are made from brass. Next, not only utensils, not only decorative materials or antique pieces, even the music instruments are made from brass. Let me read this one for you all. The high meltability and workability, relatively good resistance to corrosion, and traditionally attributed acoustic properties of brass have made it usual metal of choice for construction of musical instruments. See, as I have told you, a brass is a very good metal because it does not get rusted, as iron get rusted very easily if it doesn't get painted on time. Iron doesn't get painted on time, or even not took care of the iron, it get rusted. But whereas metal is a very good corrosion resistant metal which does not get rusted, and because of its acoustic properties, it is a very good metal for making musical instrument. See here in the picture, you could see there are so many musical instruments and materials, so many musical instruments which are made with the help of brass. These are the bells and horns. These all equipments, musical instruments are made with the help of brass. Next, here, we have some pictures of musical instruments and some examples of musical instruments which are made from the brass metal. Collectively known as brass instruments, these include the trombone, tuba, trumpet, cornet, baritone, horn, euphonium, tenor horn, and French horn. These are some examples of horns. These are the horns, and there are some examples of the brass metal horns which are made from brass, and above we have trombone, tuba, trumpet, and cornet. These are other musical instruments which are also made from brass. Let me tell you one more thing. Brass is also uh, with the help of uh, we also get brass in white or silver color. So here you could see this flute-like instrument is also of brass, but it is also made from brass, but with the help of polishing and all the other things, it is of silver in color. So next we have different types of brasses. Here, I'll let you know about the types of brasses. These are the five major types of brasses. First, which we have is alpha brasses, then alpha beta brasses. Third, we have beta brasses. Last, second, we have gamma brasses. Last, we have white brass. See, I have told you, these few instruments are made with the help of white brass. These all five are the types of brass metals. Next, if we don't take care of the matter of our material of instruments or utensils, it will get tarnished easily and scratched easily. To maintain them and to keep their durability for a very long time, there are some steps and methods and techniques to take care of these of brass so that uh, they could be used for a very long, durable time. So here I'll teach you about. First, we will go through this slides that how do we take care or how do we clean brass and how do we polish the brass to maintain its durability. Then after that, I'll show you a video which your classmates have prepared in our accommodation lab. So let's continue from here. First, remove dirt from the surface with the duster. The duster could be a brush, metal cleaning brush, or of fabric, or any duster, fabric duster, by which you have to dust off the uh, dust off from the material. It could be decorative material, utensils, or your musical instrument. That could be anything made of brass. So first you have to remove dirt from the surface with the help of a duster or a brush. Then second, rub the article. See, now we have two methods which are traditional methods of cleaning brass materials, and third we have is chemical method, uh, which is I'll tell you that later. First, let's continue from here. Rub the article. These both are the traditional methods of cleaning the metals. Method. Secondly, rub the article with the paste of tamarind and salt. First method of cleaning brass material things are you have to take tamarind and salt together and make a paste of it and then apply it on the material. This is the first method of uh, cleaning the brass material. Then second method which we have is in that you have to make a paste of white flour salt and vinegar in equal parts to remove the mild tarnishes. So this second method is used to remove the very few or little mild tarnishes which are left on the, which are not left, which are on the brass material or brass equipments. For that you have to, you need a white flour, salt and vinegar. These three are the ingredients which you need to make a paste, and after making paste you have to apply it on the brass instrument or material and have to keep it for some time. Then after that, whichever method you choose, first method or second method, after doing this what you have to do is rinse it, rinse the rinse the article which you have, which you are cleaning, then dry it and apply polish on it, so to get the shine and neatness on the material. In very, see, these were the traditional methods for which we have a very mild, very few or very mild scratches or tarnishes on the brass. For very bad cases of in which brass is totally has changed the color or is very is tarnished a lot, for that you need to soak brass article for 12 hours in washing soda solution, then rinse and polish. See, if the your brass material or actually the brass article or instrument or utensil, whatever it is very bad. It is tarnished a lot or scratched a lot. You have to soak that uh, instrument or utensil in washing soda solution for almost 12 hours or more than 12 hours. After that, take it out and rinse the uh, that brass article properly and apply polish on it. See, we have two ways of apply two of uh, ways of polishing the brass metals. First, which one is brasso? Brasso is a a special brass polishing uh, brass brass polish which is used to apply on the brass material or instruments to get the shine. And second which we have is kiwi clean brass. So these are the two polishes which could be used to clean the brass materials or brass instrument. So this was all about the brass, how that what does brass matter, how it is made, from where the brass is made, and what is the color of brass, where where could we find brass? We could find brasses in our daily life things and utensils and applications. Next, I have taught you about types of brasses, and last, I have taught you how do we clean and polish the brass. Now, I would play a video for you all, which is of cleaning brass utensils at and this video was made at our accommodation lab only. So give me a moment. I'll play that video for you all.